Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Discord account. So if you also want to create Discord account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Discord is a free application that allows the users to communicate with each other. You can communicate with each other through text, voice or video. So if you also want to create Discord account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Discord application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have an account, simply tap on the option login. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to create new account, simply tap on the register option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either register with phone or email. Right now, phone option is selected. So if you want to register with phone number, simply enter your phone number over here. But if you want to register with email, simply tap on the email option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to register with email. Simply tap on the option email. Now enter your email over here. After entering the email, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to enter your display name over here. If you want to skip it, you can also skip it. Simply tap on the skip option, or you can also enter your display name. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create an account. What you have to do is enter your username over here. Username will be returned by default. If you want to edit it, you can also edit it. If you're satisfied with the username, simply go with it. After that, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Simply set a very strong password for yourself. Your password must be 8 or more characters. Now after you enter your password, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the date of birth. Simply select your date of birth. Tap on the option date of birth. Now select your date of birth from here. First of all, select month. Swipe up or down to select the month. Likewise, select the day. Likewise, you'll also have to select the year. Now after you select the date of birth, what you have to do is tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now simply tap on the option create an account. Now you can also sync your contact to find people. If you want to sync, simply tap on the allow option. Otherwise, tap on the skip option. Now you can also allow the people to find you. If you want people to find you, simply tap on the option allow people to find me. Otherwise, simply tap on the skip option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can choose a profile picture for yourself. You'll be able to see the Discord avatar over here. If you want to choose a photo, simply tap on this option. After that, you'll be able to choose a photo for yourself. Otherwise, you can also choose a Discord avatar. Simply tap on the avatar that you like the best. After that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here your Discord account will be created. So that is how you create Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.